welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make video from Google Earth Studio. So you have to do is open earth.google.com #studio and sign in first with your email. So welcome to the Google Earth Studio, an animation tool for Google Earth Imaginary. So if you already have project, just open your project, or if you don't have or the first timer, you can click the blank project here. So you can choose zoom to or the orbit, like the object, point to point, or spiral here. So let's try the spiral one and then start. So you can create your orbit first here, but make sure your devices is supported here, or you can use this one, Indonesia, for example. Here you can choose the object here or the orbit here and try to search the place that you want to make the video. Here the preview, the altitude, the radius. This is the preview of the video. This is the like a how many second the video. So let's try a change the place here, the stadium, football stadium. So this is the preview, like I said before. You can zoom in or zoom out here. And if you're done, you can you can click this. So, and then you make a render here and you can upload the video. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click the next button below. See you in the next video.